We could go ahead and say 1348 is all about spiritual awareness and portfolio management. More praying is done in the market daily than any church. Welcome to the community. Some guy in a Discord lost 35% on his account in one day. Yeah, because he was out there praying. And God will say, that's why I created stop losses, you fucking idiot, for the gamblers out here. We try to restrain you a little bit, right? Put a leash on you and tell you exactly what options to fucking play, because you like to play that way out of the money bullshit and think it's gonna make you rich. I got that power too. I just go like this and be like, we're exercising the demons out of your portfolio. Hallelujah. Oh, that's why you're talking about Lucid, because it ran and you're just like, oh my God, is Lucid gonna make me rich? Is it gonna make me rich? Is it gonna buy me all kinds of blowjobs? And am I gonna have like all these Colombian hookers just sucking my testicles? No, you're not, because the market is not kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. Jump on a space car. We'll make you feel better about yourself. No, that's not what happens. Peace and love. While you're in the trial, you can click any alert and click the copy chart button. You can hit us up in the fact channel for more help. That just happened.